It's me. Hi, I'm the problem Daisy. If you are looking for beautiful new signs, we're about taking a look at LCSIGN. Today, I will introduce our new sign to you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest information for you. And this is a customized new sign. We provide 1-year warranty. You can get the same style or choose either you prefer. Size and color are free to choose too. We ship many new signs like this one, and just send us your logo and size, then you can get a quote soon. If you don't have any idea at the beginning, don't worry, because our sales team will recommend it the best for you. One more thing, our SpongeBob new sign are so popular now. If you want to get some characters you like, it's a good choice to get one to decorate your own space. Believe we can make the best effect for you. We specialize in production of LED sign, new sign, and lightbox. Our professional team are responsible for the work of each section. Not every sign factory will have such complete chain. That's why 85% of the customers will purchase our sign again or more after using once. From materials to machines, before sales service to after sales service, we always put customers at the first place. Now, we are still exploring more methods to provide better size and service. So, believe no matter what you need, we can help you. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, just hit that follow button right now and comment down below about any of your ideas. This is Daisy. See you next time.